Click on the cube. Press S to scale it and press number 4 because I want a big C. Then change the number from 4 to number 2 in axis Z because our camera won't think that much. Press the right mouse button and pick Shade Auto Smooth. In our case, it won't make much of a difference, but it will make our C a bit more smooth. Now, in the edit mode of this object, press the right mouse button, then subdivide. In this window, in the corner, write 100. We need so many vertices to make our model look better, even though it will require much more time for rendering. In the workspace shading, make a texture for the world. Let's pick sky texture with straight 0.3. And it will look like this. Create the modifier ocean for this object. In timeline, put value 1 in section time of the modifier ocean for first frame by pressing the button I, and put value 10 for last frame. Turn on depth of field in camera object so our render scene will look better. This is with depth of field, this is without depth of field. And now it's time for baking our ocean in Blender. To make baking, press right here. We need baking for faster rendering and faster opening of any frame. Give a material for this ocean. Now enjoy this material. Now we need to make lateral sides of the ocean to look nice. For that we need to make from this to this. We create a cube, subdivide it like we did previously to 100. Now go back to your ocean and add Boolean modifier to your ocean like this. And please don't forget to pick transfer in materials. Give next material for this object. Get positions for camera. To do that, move camera and then press the button I. Then do that again for another location and do that each 25 frame. Create a landscape. Give next settings for the landscape. Duplicate it, then press S, then -1, then scale it to 1.840 by axis Z. Add Boolean modifier to our landscape, just like we did with our ocean, but this time with cylinder to make a better form. Give this material for our iceberg. So, our scene is 5 seconds long, so make it longer in Blender's video editor. Now, it's not just 250 frames, but 350 frames. That's it. Thanks for watching.